welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another What I Eat in a Day video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kristi. I am currently following the WW Personal Points program, but I also share calories on my channel as well. So for me, I get 27 points a day. My chicken breast and turkey breast are 0 points, and my fruits and vegetables. Everything else I count. And then for my calories, I usually end up right around 1,500 with my calories. So follow along with me and I'll share with you what I eat today. So as always, my day starts with a Yeti full of coffee, and I am using this Coffee Mate Italian sweet cream. I've really been trying to find a healthier alternative to coffee creamer, but I just keep coming back to this kind. This is just the one that flavors my coffee the way that I like. So a lot of you know I follow the 80-20 rule. 80% of what I eat is whole foods and good healthy things, and then 20% is the not so healthy. So I consider this one in the 20%. So for this kind, it's 15 calories for a tablespoon. I usually use about 3 to 4 tablespoons in my Yeti. So I usually count my coffee as 2 points and about 60 calories. For breakfast today, I'm just gonna have an egg wrap. I'm gonna just use one of these Olay Extreme Wellness wraps. These are 1 point or 50 calories. And I have 2 eggs there that I've mixed with cottage cheese. I'm using this Good Culture cottage cheese. For this kind, you can have 3/4 of a cup for 2 points. Or if you're counting calories, it goes by half a cup. Half a cup for 80 calories. I do count my eggs, so my eggs are 2 points. So for the egg and cottage cheese mixture, that's 6 points. It's gonna be 1 point for the wrap. And then I'm also gonna have some avocado. You can have 35 grams of avocado for 1 point. And I'm also gonna have a kiwi. So I'm just gonna get my avocado. I've got my plate on my scale. So usually 35 grams is about half an avocado or 1 mini one. So that's 31 grams. So we'll just put a little bit more on there. And I'm just gonna take my spoon and kind of mash it up a little bit. Next, I'm gonna add a little bit of everything bagel seasoning. I said a little and that's way too much. So some of my avocado is gonna come off because that is way too much bagel seasoning. There we go. And then I'm just gonna put my eggs on there. And just roll that up. And then we've got a little breakfast burrito. Next, I'm gonna cut the end off my kiwi. And then you can actually peel this if you prefer. This is actually how I eat these at work. Just scoop it right out. So not pretty, but that's my breakfast today. So again, 6 points for the wrap, 0 for my kiwi. And if you're counting calories, it is 140 for the eggs, 50 for the wrap, so that's 190, plus 80 for the cottage cheese. So that is 270. So 270 calories plus the whatever you have for your fruit. Hi, Arlo. So we have our grand pups for a week. My son and daughter-in-law and our grandchildren, Logan and Lila. So Logan and Lila are my son's children, and then you all know about my daughter Caitlin. She doesn't have any children. So my son, daughter-in-law, and grandchildren went on vacation this week, and we are taking care of the granddogs. So it's been nice, except this one, we have a huge fenced-in backyard, but this one, this is Arlo, and he loves to dig under the fence to try and get out. This boy runs like faster than a greyhound, I swear. He's so fast when he runs. And he is so sweet, aren't you, baby? He's so sweet, but when he gets out in that backyard, he just wants to dig under the fence and go running down the street. Sugar! And Sugar is usually lying here with him. Come here, Sugar. Come here, lay down with Arlo. Oh, you're gonna be jealous? There's Sugar. I call her Sugar Booger. Oh, Sugar Booger. Hi, Sugar Booger. So those are our little granddogs. Aw. Yeah. Alright, for lunch today, I'm actually having leftovers from dinner last night. So last night I made, this used to be called crispy baked cod with cheesy potatoes and broccoli. But now it's called sheet pan panko crusted cod. This recipe is a recipe from Blue Apron. Years ago, Blue Apron teamed up with WW, and they had like some WW pointed foods that you could do for their meal delivery kits. I'm not sure if they still do that. I haven't done Blue Apron in a long time, but I still make this recipe. I just go to their website and get the recipe from there. And just kind of do it myself. But this is not quite a full portion. There's only a few potatoes there. So the normal portion of this is 10 points plus 1 earned back. So it comes out to 9 and about 440 calories. I'm going to count this as 7 points just because of the amount of potatoes that are on there. My husband ended up eating some more of the potatoes last night. So this is what was left. So I'm going to count this as 7 points. Okay, so it is about 3 o'clock now, and I'm not really hungry, but I'm just kind of feeling snacky. So I'm gonna have this banana and see if that will cure my snack craving. So this banana for me is 0 points, and I usually count bananas about 100 calories. And also I have my water here, so I usually try to fill this water about 4 to 5 times a day. I usually shoot for between 8 and 10 glasses of water a day. What you got?
Orange.
Huh? You got popsicle on your face. You got popsicle on your face.
Nope.
Yes, you do.
Ew,
It's on your chin.
Oh, king.
Lila, what are you doing?
Lila.
Lila, say hi. Say hi.
Well, Nana's got to move.
Nana's got to move. What you doing, Logan? You watering the plants? I see you. Good job. Lila. Lila.
Come down here with it, bud.
Hi. Hi. Clap. Show how you clap. Clap. Clap, clap, clap. No. Lila. What are you doing? Oh my gosh, can you believe how big my grandkids are getting? Okay, so it's time for dinner, and we're having everybody over for dinner, as you can see. And I made pizza meatloaf and also some roasted vegetables. I just have a bunch of vegetables here: Brussels sprouts, broccoli, butternut squash. I think that was it. I think some peppers, and I just roasted them in the oven, and I'm going to put some lime crema sauce on them. These pizza meatloaves are so good. I got the recipe from Home Chef. They were actually one that I got in a delivery kit before, and then now I just make my own. So again, this is so good. This is 10 points and 360 calories for the pizza meatloaf, and 2 points with 1 point earned back for the vegetables, and then 100 calories. And actually, the reason the vegetables are 2 points is because of the lime crema, which I actually didn't film. I put it on after I put my camera down. So the lime crema is just a simple mixture of light sour cream and some lime juice, and that's it. Okay, this is going to be my nighttime snack. This hummus in here is red pepper hummus. I'm all out of my favorite garlic hummus. So carrots and red pepper hummus, it's 2 points for the hummus and 70 calories. And the carrots, usually I put a cup of carrots in here, but that doesn't look like a cup, so I'm not going to earn a point back for those. I'll just count it as a half a cup. So my carrots are 0, so calories on the carrots is, I don't know, probably like 30. So this is what I ended up with for the day: 31 out of 27 points. I earned back 3 points, 1 for my water and 2 for my vegetables, which personally I think I earned back another one because of that amount of vegetables, but we'll just go with what it gives. So I used 1 weekly and then 1,480 calories. And again, the calories are an estimate because I don't weigh out my fruits and vegetables. So I hope you like this video. As always, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll talk to you in my next one.
It's a journey.